Hello, my name is Martin Aranovich and welcome to this video course on how to create quality content quickly using artificial intelligence tools. I've been writing content professionally for over 12 years. I'm a full-time writer and blog editor for a software development company. I also run several online training websites. I've written a number of ebooks and I've also authored a number of online courses. Writing quality content like a well-researched article or blog post can take a very long time. So I'm always looking for tools and ways to help speed up my content writing process without compromising on quality. I've looked before at content writing tools that claim to use artificial intelligence to create quality content, but many of the articles I've created using those tools tend to be either complete garbage or they basically scrape existing content from the web, and so you're basically just plagiarizing someone else's work. And it can also often take longer to fix up machine-generated content to make it read like something that you'd be proud to put your name to than to just write the whole thing from scratch. So I've recently come across an AI technology that is very simple and very easy to use. It delivers really impressive results, and it's also currently free to use. And so I thought, why not use this software to see if I can create a high-quality article for one of my training websites, time and record the whole process from start to finish, and then share the entire process in a video course. So this is what this video course is all about. I'm going to use the AI tool to drive the entire content writing process from start to finish. I'll also time each stage of the process to see how long it takes to put an article together. The end goal of this process is to let artificial intelligence create a draft article on a substantial topic without editing or changing a single word. We'll then look at the end result together, and you can decide for yourself whether you think that using AI tools to write content is worth it or not quite there yet. So here's what we're going to cover in this How to Create Quality Content Quickly Using AI video course. First, I'm going to explain why AI tools have sucked at writing quality content until now. Then I'm going to introduce you to the free AI tool that we'll be using throughout this course. Then we're going to use the tool to first generate content ideas for articles. We'll then pick one of the articles and use the tool to create an article outline. Once we've got this article outline, we'll then use the same AI tool to generate an introduction to the article, to write all of the content sections, and to create an article conclusion. And we'll then analyze this AI-generated draft article, and then I'll cover some other uses for the free AI tool and end with some useful resources. So that's what we're going to cover in this video. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you in Module 1.